Carrots. Sa pa man ni Mickey Mouse. Carrots.
No. Next is, what is next? Naa si Olive. Gikuyugan ko ni Olive. Kay I'm alone.
Yes, Ma'am Cindy.
Jessica.
Yugan ko ni Abot na lagi ka, Ma. Mula ko kita nimo.
Huwag ko ni Agi dito dapit ninyo. Nagkuan mong ko. Move it.
Wala lagi pa. Abot. Yes. Skitty. Usan na lang.
What is the last one? Oy, you still have your apple. You did not put your apple. Where do you put your apple, man?
Tako na ni apple. Uy. Mom!
Nice one. How about the burger? Natabunan na. So, you're done. Tanaw na itong trabaho ni Olive. Wapre mo, ikuan mo ang trabaho. Pakita.
Ano?
Here. Ang iyahang plate nga ganahan niya pagkaon. So, this is our activity. Cut and paste. Okay.
Okay. Goodbye.
Bye. Bye, guys. See you later. Bye, bye, guys.
Avis ako.